Hey guys, it's Randy Bable here, your realtor and principal broker from 10 Realty in downtown Sevierville, Tennessee. And I'm out here at Douglas Lake on Starlight Lane, and I have a beautiful home that I want to show you. It's over 3,000 square feet in size. It has fantastic living spaces, the most incredible kitchen, 2 fireplaces, and it has incredible mountain views. So this room is over 800 square feet in size, which is absolutely enormous. So you can make this into a giant living room, a recreation room, a games room, pretty much any setup that you really want to enjoy. This great room has a set of doors that leads out to a central courtyard deck, which is absolutely fantastic. You can set yourself up a hot tub out here, barbecue grill, outdoor patio furniture, whatever you want, because it's a great central living area. Now, for somebody like me who loves to cook, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and let me tell you, when you walk into the space, you'll be absolutely amazed. And there's even an open wood-fired fireplace. Now, after you prepared that beautiful gourmet meal, why don't you bring it out here on this brand new deck, sit here and enjoy these beautiful mountain views. Now, you already saw that there's a fireplace in the kitchen area, which is unique on its own, but there's also another open wood-fired fireplace in this second living room area here. Even has a complete little bar area with a little wine fridge and new cabinetry. So you can make yourself comfortable in front of a roaring fire or turn your head around and take a look at the stunning mountain views from the full height picture windows. Let's go upstairs and let's take a look. What I really love is the fact that they put in these full-length picture windows so you can really capture these amazing mountain views while you're sitting up here away from everything that's going on downstairs. Now, the main level of this home has 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom here. The second bedroom is on the other side of the master bathroom. With the third bedroom being at the front of the house as you walk in next to the guest bathroom. Now, we've had a good look at the main level of the house, but what I haven't showed you is what's downstairs. Now, this downstairs area has lots of different opportunities for you. You can see when the original builder set it all up, they had in mind there's a little bar area down here, obviously for some outdoor entertaining. It's all set up, so if you wanted to enclose this area in and actually add additional floor space to your already fantastically huge home, there's an opportunity for you to do so. Here's a little self-contained studio that I was telling you about. This is a perfect space for the overnight rental, a great in-law accommodation, or if you're working from home like so many people do now, a perfect, fully self-contained office environment with its own full bathroom as well. I guess the final thing to show you now is a great parking space. There's plenty of room here for your RV, for your boat, and for all your different toys. Remember, the lake is just right there. The mountains are just across there in the distance because there's so much to see and do in the great outdoors here in the Smoky Mountains. This house, as it is, pretty much ticks all the boxes. It's a huge house, fantastic space, incredible kitchen. You got extra room for your in-laws or for overnight guests. It pretty much has it all. For more information, there's a website link just down here below. On that, you should see a 360 tour as well. And if you have any questions at all, just be sure just to pick up the phone, give me a call. All my details are here below, or come in and see me. I'm downtown Sevierville, 118 Bruce Street. I'm Randy Bable, principal broker, 10 Realty. I look forward to hearing from you, and hopefully we can make this your new home here in the Smokies.